ahead and do it again.
Do it?
You can go underneath. You're fine.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead.